Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making the trailer safe and accessible. With wheel chock set and the parking brake engaged, raise the tailgate and disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Remove trim or access panels, expose the pop-up cable end, and take a photo for reference. Use pliers to free any clips, then test the cable movement by hand to confirm binding or break. Once you identify the damaged section, mark it and prepare the spare cable, connectors, and your multimeter for the next steps. Now you remove the old cable and install the replacement with care. Start by detaching the cable at both the latch and actuator. Keep track of routing and any grommets so you can reroute exactly. If reusing end fittings, cut back to clean wire and press on new ferrules, otherwise install factory-style ends. Crimp firmly, then cover connections with heat shrink for corrosion resistance. Route the cable through sleeves and grommets, lubricate lightly, and leave slack for suspension travel before moving to adjustment. You finish by setting tension and testing the system thoroughly. Adjust cable so the latch engages cleanly with no excess slack, tighten clamps, and resecure any routing clips. Cycle the pop-up 8 to 10 times, watching for smooth motion and listening for rubbing or snags. If alignment drifts, tweak bracket positions and recheck clearance. Finally, reinstall trim, reconnect the battery, and perform a final operational test. If things still bind, inspect pulleys and brackets. Replace any worn hardware as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.